Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of the VSeeBox V6 Max setup. First, crack open that box and grab the complimentary HDMI cord. If you're one of those people who insists on using your own 8K cable just to flex, make sure it's actually compatible. Now, perform the complex ritual of plugging the box into a power outlet and connecting it to your TV. Truly, we live in an age of wonders where plugging things in is considered a step. Next, let's handle the remote activation. Pop in two AA batteries and hit the red power button if the box is playing hard to get and won't turn on automatically. To pair the Bluetooth remote, hold down the OK and volume down buttons until the blue light starts flashing, signaling that the two devices have finally stopped ghosting each other. From there, pick your language and adjust the screen ratio until the picture actually fits your TV screen. It's a revolutionary concept, I'm sure. Keep the momentum going by selecting your time zone and clicking Agree to the terms and conditions, because we all definitely read every single word of those legal masterpieces. Connect to your Wi-Fi or plug in an Ethernet cable if you're still living that wired lifestyle. Now comes the best part, waiting. Sit back and watch the apps download automatically. It's the perfect opportunity to reflect on your life choices while staring at a progress bar. Once the home screen appears, you're officially ready to enjoy your VSeeBox V6 Max.